Ever wondered how those crunchy, tangy pickles make their way to your plate? Join us as we dive into the fascinating factory process that transforms fresh cucumbers into delicious pickles. The journey of making pickles begins with the meticulous selection of the perfect cucumbers. This critical step ensures that only the highest quality cucumbers are chosen, setting the foundation for producing delicious and satisfying pickles. Not just any cucumber will do. They must be the right variety, known for their firmness and ability to absorb flavors effectively. Farmers and suppliers collaborate closely to identify and cultivate cucumber varieties that are ideal for pickling. Two of the most popular varieties are Kirby and Gherkin cucumbers. These varieties are prized for their crisp texture, small seeds, and ability to maintain their firmness during the pickling process. Kirby cucumbers in particular are known for their bumpy skin and crunchy bite, making them a favorite choice for dill pickles and bread and butter pickles. Gherkins, on the other hand, are smaller and often used for sweet pickles and cornichons. Growing cucumbers for pickling requires specific agricultural practices to ensure they develop the desired qualities. Farmers use controlled irrigation, proper spacing, and organic fertilizers to promote healthy growth. The cucumbers are typically grown on trellises or stakes to keep them off the ground, which reduces the risk of pests and diseases. This method also allows for better air circulation around the plants, helping maintain the cucumber's health and quality. Once the cucumbers reach maturity, they undergo a rigorous selection process that begins in the field. Farmers and quality control specialists inspect the cucumbers for size, shape, color, and firmness. The ideal cucumbers are uniformly green, firm to the touch, and free from blemishes, bruises, or any signs of disease. Each cucumber is carefully evaluated to ensure it meets the stringent standards required for pickling. Size is a particularly important factor in the selection process. Uniform size is crucial because it ensures even brining and fermentation, which are key to achieving consistent flavor and texture in the final pickles. Smaller cucumbers are typically selected for whole pickles, while larger ones might be chosen for slicing or spearing. This careful selection process helps ensure that the cucumbers will absorb the pickling solution evenly and maintain their crispness. Quality control does not end in the field. After the initial visual inspection, selected cucumbers are subject to additional quality checks. These cucumbers are examined for internal defects that might not be visible from the outside. Random samples are cut open to check the flesh's color, texture, and seed size. The aim is to ensure that every cucumber that makes it to the processing stage is of the highest quality. The selection process benefits greatly from the expertise of experienced farmers. These farmers understand the nuances of growing cucumbers specifically for pickling and can identify the subtle differences that distinguish a good cucumber from an exceptional one. Their knowledge and attention to detail ensure that only the best cucumbers are chosen for the next stage of production. The selection process is continually refined to ensure that the highest standards are maintained. Feedback from the processing facility and consumer preferences are taken into account, leading to adjustments in farming practices and selection criteria. This commitment to continuous improvement ensures that the cucumbers selected for pickling are always of the best possible quality. In conclusion, the selection of cucumbers is a meticulous process that involves choosing the right varieties, employing careful cultivation practices, and conducting thorough inspections. By focusing on these details, farmers and suppliers ensure that only the best cucumbers are chosen, laying the foundation for producing high-quality pickles that are crisp, flavorful, and satisfying. The journey of transforming fresh cucumbers into delicious pickles begins long before they reach the processing facility. It starts in the fields where the cucumbers are carefully cultivated and monitored to ensure they reach the optimal size and quality. Once they meet the desired criteria, the critical stages of harvesting and transporting commence, both of which are crucial to maintaining the cucumber's freshness and quality. Harvesting cucumbers is a precise science. The ideal time to harvest is early in the morning, taking advantage of cooler temperatures to preserve the cucumber's crispness and freshness. Cooler morning temperatures reduce the stress on the cucumbers, preventing them from becoming limp or wilted. This timing is essential for maintaining the cucumber's firmness, which is a key quality for making high-quality pickles. Harvesting is carried out with great care to avoid damaging the delicate cucumbers. Workers often pick cucumbers by hand, a method that allows for careful handling and selection of only the best produce. Handpicking ensures that each cucumber is inspected for the right size, color, and firmness directly in the field. In larger operations, mechanical harvesters are employed. These machines are designed to handle the cucumbers gently, minimizing bruising and damage. The harvesters are equipped with soft brushes and conveyors that carefully collect the cucumbers and place them into bins or crates. The use of mechanical harvesters increases efficiency and allows for the timely gathering of large volumes of cucumbers while still maintaining quality. After harvesting, the cucumbers are immediately placed into bins or crates. This step is crucial as it protects them from being crushed or damaged. The bins are designed to allow air circulation, which helps keep the cucumbers cool and fresh. Once loaded into the bins, the cucumbers are transported to the processing facility as quickly as possible to maintain their peak condition. Transportation is a critical phase that can significantly impact the quality of the cucumbers. To preserve their freshness, cucumbers are often transported in refrigerated trucks. These trucks maintain a consistent cool temperature, preventing the cucumbers from overheating and becoming soft. The refrigeration also slows down the respiration rate of the cucumbers, extending their freshness and preventing spoilage. Refrigerated transport is particularly important during warmer months when higher temperatures can quickly degrade the quality of the cucumbers. By keeping the cucumbers cool, the risk of spoilage and loss of crispness is minimized, ensuring that they arrive at the processing facility in the best possible condition. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the cucumbers are swiftly unloaded to minimize any potential quality loss. Workers handle the bins with care to avoid bruising the cucumbers. The goal is to get the cucumbers from the field to the processing line as swiftly as possible, maintaining their freshness and readiness for the next steps in production. An initial inspection occurs at this stage to check for any visible damage or spoilage that may have occurred during transport. Cucumbers that do not meet the quality standards are removed to ensure that only the best cucumbers proceed to the washing and sorting stages. The entire process, from harvesting to transport and initial inspection, is meticulously designed to ensure that cucumbers remain in peak condition. Any delay or improper handling can affect the cucumber's quality and, ultimately, the quality of the pickles produced. Therefore, every step is carefully managed to maintain the highest standards. In conclusion, the harvesting and transporting stages are fundamental to the pickle production process. By employing gentle harvesting techniques, utilizing refrigerated transport, and ensuring swift handling, factories can preserve the cucumber's freshness and quality from the field to the processing facility. This careful attention to detail ensures that the cucumbers are ready for the transformation into high-quality pickles, meeting the expectations of consumers. At the processing facility, the cucumber's journey begins with the critical receiving and washing stages. These initial steps ensure that only high-quality cucumbers proceed to the subsequent stages, ultimately maintaining the overall quality and safety of the final pickle product. Upon arrival, the cucumbers are first unloaded and spread out for a thorough inspection. This inspection is crucial to identify and remove any cucumbers that do not meet the stringent quality standards. Workers meticulously check each cucumber for size, color, and firmness. Only those that are fresh, firm, and uniformly green are selected for further processing. This step ensures that only the best cucumbers, those capable of producing high-quality pickles, move forward. After passing the initial inspection, the cucumbers are prepared for washing. They are transferred to specialized washing machines designed to handle large volumes efficiently. The washing process is vital for removing any dirt, debris, and residual pesticides that might be clinging to the cucumbers from the field. In the washing machines, the cucumbers undergo a rigorous cleaning process. High-pressure jets of water are used to dislodge dirt and debris from the cucumber's surfaces. Gentle brushes rotate and move over the cucumbers, ensuring a thorough scrub without damaging the delicate skin. This process ensures that any contaminants from the field are effectively removed, making the cucumbers safe for consumption. Once the initial washing is complete, the cucumbers are subjected to multiple rinses with fresh water. This step is essential to remove any cleaning agents used during the washing process. The fresh water rinse ensures that the cucumbers are not only free of dirt and debris, but also any residual chemicals that could affect the pickling process or the final product's taste and safety. Many processing facilities utilize advanced washing technologies to enhance the cleaning process. These technologies may include ultrasonic cleaners that use sound waves to create microscopic bubbles, effectively removing any remaining particles from the cucumber surfaces. Such advanced methods ensure that the cucumbers are cleaned to the highest standards, setting the stage for high-quality pickles. The meticulous washing process is critical for maintaining the cucumber's quality and safety. By ensuring that all contaminants are removed, the risk of spoilage and foodborne illnesses is significantly reduced. This attention to detail is essential for producing pickles that are not only delicious but also safe for consumers. After the cucumbers are thoroughly cleaned and rinsed, they are conveyed to the next stage of production. At this point, they are free from contaminants and ready for sorting and sizing. The clean cucumbers are carefully transported via conveyor belts to ensure they remain pristine until they reach the sorting and sizing stations. Throughout the receiving and washing stages, continuous monitoring and quality control checks are in place to ensure the processes are effective and consistent. Any deviations are promptly addressed to maintain the high standards required for producing top-quality pickles. In conclusion, the receiving and washing stages are foundational steps in the pickle production process. By meticulously inspecting and thoroughly cleaning the cucumbers, factories ensure that only the best contaminant-free cucumbers move forward. This rigorous approach guarantees the production of high-quality, safe pickles that meet consumer expectations. Once the cucumbers are thoroughly cleaned, they move to the sorting and sizing stage, a crucial step in the production process that ensures uniformity and quality in every batch of pickles. This meticulous process involves separating the cucumbers based on their dimensions, ensuring that each cucumber meets the specific requirements for the type of pickle it will become. The sorting process leverages advanced automated sorting machines equipped with cameras and sensors. These machines evaluate each cucumber in real time, quickly categorizing them by size, shape, and sometimes even color. The sensors capture detailed images and measurements, allowing the system to sort cucumbers with remarkable accuracy and speed. This automation not only improves efficiency but also significantly reduces the margin of error compared to manual sorting. Uniformity in size is critical for the fermentation and flavoring processes. When cucumbers are consistent in size, they ferment at the same rate and absorb flavors uniformly, ensuring that each pickle in a jar tastes and feels the same. This consistency is crucial for meeting consumer expectations, as it guarantees that every pickle delivers the same high-quality taste and texture. Uniform cucumbers also ensure more efficient packing, leading to better use of space within each jar and more aesthetically pleasing products. The cucumbers are sorted into various size categories. Smaller cucumbers, often favored for whole pickles, are separated from larger ones, which may be destined to be sliced or speared. This categorization helps in creating consistent batches of pickles. For example, gherkins and cornichons, which are tiny whole pickles, come from the smallest cucumbers, while larger cucumbers are sliced into rounds or spears for different pickle varieties. Once sorted, the cucumbers are conveyed to different processing lines based on their size. Each line is tailored to handle specific sizes and types of cucumbers, optimizing production efficiency. Smaller cucumbers proceed to lines where they are brined whole, while larger cucumbers are transported to lines where they are sliced or speared. This specialization ensures that each cucumber is processed in the best possible way to become the desired type of pickle. The sorting and sizing process not only ensures quality, but also enhances production efficiency. By using automated systems, factories can handle large volumes of cucumbers quickly and accurately. This efficiency allows for the continuous operation of other processing stages, such as brining and flavoring, without bottlenecks. The precise sorting also minimizes waste, as cucumbers are directed to the most appropriate processing line, ensuring that each one is used to its fullest potential. Throughout the sorting and sizing process, quality control checks are in place to ensure that the sorting machines are functioning correctly and that the cucumbers meet the required standards. Any cucumbers that do not meet the size and quality criteria are removed from the line and repurposed or discarded. This attention to detail helps maintain the high standards expected by consumers and ensures that the final product is both consistent and of the highest quality. In conclusion, the sorting and sizing stage is a vital component of the pickle production process. By utilizing advanced technology and adhering to strict quality control measures, factories can ensure that each cucumber is perfectly prepared for the subsequent stages of production. This meticulous process guarantees that every batch of pickles is uniform in size, consistent in flavor, and meets the high standards that consumers expect. The next step in the process is brining and fermentation. The sorted cucumbers are placed in large vats or barrels filled with a brine solution made of water, salt, and sometimes vinegar. The brine solution plays a crucial role in preserving the cucumbers and initiating the fermentation process. During fermentation, naturally occurring bacteria convert sugars in the cucumbers into lactic acid. This process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the desired flavor and texture of the pickles. The lactic acid acts as a natural preservative, giving the pickles their distinctive tangy taste and crunchy texture. Temperature and salt concentration are carefully monitored throughout the fermentation process to ensure consistency and quality. The brining solution may also be adjusted with herbs and spices such as dill, garlic, or mustard seeds to enhance the flavor of the pickles. This stage is critical for developing the characteristic taste and texture of the pickles. After the fermentation process is complete, the pickles are ready for flavoring and spicing. This step involves adding a blend of herbs, spices, and other flavorings to the pickles to enhance their taste. The choice of flavorings can vary widely, from traditional dill and garlic to more exotic blends like chili or sweet honey. The pickles are soaked in a spiced vinegar solution that infuses them with additional flavors. This solution is typically a mix of vinegar, water, sugar, and spices, carefully balanced to achieve the desired taste. The pickles remain in this solution for a specified period, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply. Flavoring and spicing are essential for creating the unique taste profiles that distinguish different types of pickles. Factories often have proprietary recipes and closely guarded methods for their flavor blends, ensuring their pickles stand out in the market. After the pickles have absorbed their desired flavors, they are ready for packing and sealing. The pickles are carefully placed into jars or containers, ensuring they are packed tightly without damaging their structure. Automated packing machines streamline this process, providing efficiency and consistency. The jars are then filled with a brine or vinegar solution to preserve the pickles and maintain their flavor. This solution also helps keep the pickles crisp and prevents spoilage. Once filled, the jars are sealed tightly with lids to create an airtight environment. Sealed jars undergo a heat treatment process such as pasteurization to sterilize the contents and extend the shelf life of the pickles. This step ensures the pickles remain safe to eat and retain their quality over time. By using precise heat treatment, factories ensure that the pickles are both delicious and durable, ready for consumers to enjoy. In conclusion, packing and sealing are crucial steps in the pickle production process. Through careful packing, precise sealing, and effective heat treatment, factories ensure that every jar of pickles is preserved in perfect condition, maintaining both safety and flavor for consumers. Quality control and inspection are critical components of the pickle production process, ensuring that each jar of pickles meets the highest standards of safety, taste, and appearance. These rigorous checks are performed at multiple stages, from the initial reception of cucumbers to the final packing and sealing of the jars. The quality control process begins as soon as the cucumbers arrive at the processing facility. Initial inspections check for size, color, and firmness, ensuring that only the best cucumbers proceed to washing and sorting. Any cucumbers that fail to meet these criteria are rejected at this early stage to maintain the quality of the final product. As the cucumbers move through the brining and fermentation stages, samples are regularly taken for laboratory testing. These tests are crucial for monitoring the chemical and microbiological safety of the pickles. Key parameters such as pH levels, salt content, and microbial activity are closely monitored. Maintaining the correct pH and salt levels is essential for ensuring that the pickles are safe to eat and have the desired flavor and texture. Microbial tests ensure that no harmful bacteria are present, safeguarding the pickle's safety for consumers. In addition to laboratory tests, sensory evaluations are conducted to assess the taste, texture, and appearance of the pickles. Trained quality control inspectors sample pickles from each batch to ensure they meet the company's flavor profile and textural standards. They check for uniformity in size and color, ensuring that each pickle looks and tastes perfect. This step is vital for maintaining consistency across all jars, providing consumers with a high-quality product they expect. Visual inspections are carried out at several points during the production process. These checks ensure that the cucumbers are evenly sliced, properly brined, and uniformly flavored. Any discrepancies, such as uneven coloring or inconsistent sizes, are addressed immediately. This attention to detail helps maintain the visual appeal of the pickles, which is important for consumer satisfaction. Before the jars are sealed and labeled, a final inspection is conducted. Each jar is checked to ensure it has been filled correctly with the right amount of brine and pickles. Any jars that do not meet the stringent quality standards are removed from the production line and reprocessed or discarded. This final check ensures that only the best pickles make it to the market. This comprehensive quality control and inspection process ensures that every jar of pickles is safe, delicious, and visually appealing. By maintaining high standards and rigorous checks at every stage, the factory guarantees a consistent high-quality product that consumers can trust and enjoy. In conclusion, quality control and inspection are essential to the pickle production process, ensuring that each jar meets the highest standards of safety, taste, and appearance before reaching consumers. After passing quality control, the pickles are ready for labeling and packaging. Each jar is labeled with important information such as the type of pickle, ingredients, expiration date, and nutritional information. Labels may also include branding elements such as logos and slogans to attract consumers. The labeled jars are then packed into boxes or crates for distribution. Automated packaging machines ensure that the jars are securely packed to prevent breakage during transport. Proper packaging is essential for maintaining the integrity of the pickles and ensuring they reach consumers in perfect condition. Finally, the packaged pickles are ready for distribution and delivery. The jars are loaded onto trucks and transported to various retail outlets, grocery stores, and restaurants. Refrigerated trucks may be used to ensure the pickles remain cool and fresh during transit. Efficient logistics and distribution networks ensure that the pickles reach their destination quickly and in optimal condition. From the factory to the shelves, every step is carefully managed to ensure that consumers receive the freshest and tastiest pickles possible. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from fresh cucumbers to the tangy pickles we all love. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.